Is how to freeze rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. Freeze rows and column is an important aspect of in Microsoft Excel, and many users want to know how to freeze columns and rows in Microsoft Excel. To do so, open any Microsoft Excel documents, and here we will see a row and a column. We will see the first row. If you want to freeze the first row of your Microsoft Excel documents, then select second row. If you want to first row to freeze, then select second row, and thereafter go to top menu bar and click on view tab, and here you will find option freeze panes and click on freeze panes. You must remember that if you want to freeze first row, then you have to select second row to freeze first row. Now you can see your rows is successfully freeze. If you want to unfreeze, then click unfreeze row. Now we will see how to freeze columns in your Microsoft Excel documents. So freeze first column, select second columns and click freeze panes, and you will see your first column is duly freezed. Now to unfreeze, simply select that row, that column and click on unfreeze column. That's all.